So it has taken many years in the making, but during this project, I completed the transformation into my dad. Who the fuck built this? This is so rat fucked. Can this god flashlight just hold still? God, oh, fuck you. So last week, I started my transformation on turning the dining room into a completely different space for about $100. So this week, I am doing what needs to be done around this place to make it functional. And one of those things is the kitchen faucet, amongst other things, because it is a disaster and it doesn't turn anymore and it's driving me nuts. You find him?
Huh?
You found him.
I did. It's under the faucet section.
Ooh, I like the gold.
You like the gold?
Yeah, the gold faucets.
Why gold?
Because gold looks nice in the kitchen.
You don't have anything else that's gold in the kitchen.
The handles are gold. The doorknobs? The ones I changed out, they're gold.
I knew that.
Ooh, okay, I like the spring ones, honestly, too. Those are, like, really cool.
But the thing that it seems like you're working in a restaurant, though.
Yeah, but they also make things in restaurants, like, practical and ergonomical.
Yeah, but it looks...
I don't like the black and gold. That looks bad.
I want this just without the spring. You know what I mean? Just so everybody's clear. The reason we're shopping for faucets is because I said, Rose, I need you to walk away from the chairs for a minute. Because the faucet in our kitchen doesn't work. It doesn't turn anymore. So it's unusable. And I begged and I pleaded for months. Rose, please, can we get a new faucet? And you're like, no, I'm doing this chair shit. So you don't have a chair to sit on in the house anymore because they're all being refurbished.
Are you done with this blast of shit?
I was saying, no, literally the kitchen faucet doesn't work anymore. Like it doesn't, like see how that swivels? The one in our house doesn't do it anymore.
Right.
Yeah.
I told you that.
No, I told you that.
About 2 months ago.
No. And I was like, babe, for the love of shit, we need a new kitchen faucet. Finally.
That's not how any of this transpired.
I'm in this story time with Tim right now. We're laying down some truth.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, she listens to me. And we're faucet shopping.
Okay. Yeah, so what actually happened was months ago, I told you it was jammed and that the faucet doesn't turn anymore.
No, on a very serious note, it's been sticky since I moved in, and a couple of months ago, it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. And it's finally got to the point where it doesn't even move anymore. And it doesn't budge. It doesn't swivel at all. So we legitimately need a new faucet. It's gotten to that point. So that's what really happened.
So you're thinking that one?
Thinking this one. It seems like you're working in a restaurant. Yeah, but it looks... I want this just without the spring. You know what I mean?
So you're thinking that one?
Thinking this one. So you want that one too?
Yeah. So you're thinking that one?
Thinking this one.
Feels heftier.
Okay, let's do it. It's right there. Alright, let's buy it.
Okay, so it is 9:30 p.m. I have decided that now would be a good time to put in the new sink faucet because all good projects start after 9 p.m. That is a total lie. They usually go to complete shit. For those of you that are new to this channel, I have no idea what I'm doing, but this has been one of those few times where I looked up tutorials on YouTube before doing this because there is no way in hell that I could have changed a sink faucet with no knowledge on it. I would have flooded the entire kitchen. Honey, you're making all kinds of noise while I'm trying to record this.
My ass itches so bad.
You are not.
Oh my god. Oh,
You're not mic'd.
6.5 hours later.
Tim, shut the f up. I keep trying to record this video and Tim won't stop talking. Too Kirby. This is why Tim keeps interrupting me.
Look at how cute he looks. You're a little bunny.
That's my headband for when I wash my face.
I think that's valid.
Okay, so I confess. Last night when I was trying to do the faucet, dogs required a long walk, and then by the time I got back, I was far too tired to do this project, and I didn't want to screw it up and flood the entire kitchen. So today is the very next day, and I'm going to see if I can get it done quickly, hopefully, because I have to go to work. Okay, so it looks like the water lines are in all different kinds of places back here. Might have to get like a wrench or something. There we go. All right, so in theory, this should be able to just turn on and no water should come out. Haha! Success. The water's off. No drip. Okay, so now I'm supposed to remove some nut that's up here. Right on. Okay. Damn it, I need a towel too. I don't think it was necessary to screw this in as tightly as they did. It's just causing me problems. Okay, I am incredibly frustrated and very discouraged right now because the plate that is around this pipe thing is like welded shut. So I essentially, no matter how much leverage I put on it, cannot unscrew this nut because whatever idiot did the plumbing before over-tightened the plate. So I am really feeling the frustration right now, and I don't know what to do. Okay, so on today's episode of Why the F Would You Do That? We are looking at plumbing. I am trying to change this sink faucet, and there is galvanized pipe and a plate. So basically, it's a pipe with a plate that you screw on, right? And it gets tighter as it gets to the base. You have to first unscrew the plate, and then the plate should just be able to rotate off of the galvanized pipe. Pretty easily, right? Well, when you're the previous owners, that's not what you do. Instead, what you do is you take Gorilla Glue and you also glue it to the sink so it is stuck in place so that the next owners that have to come in have to use a Dremel to cut the bolt off.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, it is day 3 of trying to get the new faucet onto the sink, and I am back in pajamas. I am so over this. This project, mind you, was supposed to take 30 minutes to do. But knowing me, stuff had to go wrong. But whatever, we're just gonna move on. It's like Groundhog Day. Come out. There's one cord that's stuck. Because, of course. Well, this is going in the trash. You don't really label what's what. It's the moment of truth. Now we have to see if it actually works. Holy shit! It actually works! Ready.
Looks great.
You gotta turn it on.
Oh. Ta-da! Ooh. Ooh, look at that. It comes out circular and goes to a line.
What do you think?
Love it.
I thought you said you didn't like the springs.
I don't.
It looks fucking good, right?
It looks good. I like the... I like it. Which side is hot and which side is cold?
Up is hot and down is cold. And I gotta be honest with you, when I was connecting the two lines, I sort of just plugged them into whatever one, and I ended up being correct about which one was hot. And
I like it. Well done.
thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this week's video, feel free to watch last week's video where I started my project of transforming the dining room for about $100.